Magandang umaga po, Pilipinas. You're still watching Agri TV at iba pa. Welcome po sa Mad About Koi. My name is Mike Hernandez with
Gles Hernandez of Coys and Ponds Farm Las Piñas.
So in this episode, Gles, we thought of sharing with them the equipment necessary to properly complement or to complement a properly designed koi pond filtration system.
Yes.
So let's start the ball rolling, Gles. Ano ba to? Number one.
The pumps. It could be a submersible pump or an external pump.
Now, the external pump, ang maganda po sa external pump, when you use one external pump in a koi pond system, pagka po nag-conk out or tumigil ang inyong pump, titigil na lang to. Walang electrocution na mangyayari because electricity and water, they don't come in hand in hand. Hindi ito magkaibigan, no? Pag ang pump ninyo, especially pag submersible, ito ay nag-grounded na or tumigil, and then don't make a mistake of rewinding it at i-repair ninyo dahil hindi na po ito factory sealed. So in our case, ang ina-advise natin or nire-recommend natin sa mga kaibigan natin to use, which it would go to the route of external pump. So on to number two.
Yes.
So, another vital equipment na kailangan natin, once you already have a properly designed koi pond, would be the aeration. In our case, ang most popular brand na ginagamit namin dito ay yung Alita na bubbler. Kasi meron po kaming nakukuhang spare parts ng pump na to.
The diaphragm, you could change it. So, it will last longer too. And besides that, some people kasi, when they have waterfalls like that, it's a good aesthetic, but it doesn't replace an aerator in your pond.
Alright, the third component po na kailangan natin or inevitable para matuloy o magkaroon ng magandang mechanical filtration with brushes inside.
Yes.
Please expound less on the brushes.
It's necessary to have a mechanical filter. What it does, it separates solid waste from the liquid waste. So, in the first chamber, you could get rid of it already. You just clean the brushes. Once in a while, you drain it out. So, at least you'll be left with just the liquid waste.
Brush chamber, in our opinion,
basic.
Would be the
very
effective, basic, and of course, it goes without saying, dapat yung brushes na ilalagay natin dito, yung medyo dekalidad.
Medyo makapal na yung brush.
Brush yan, at saka makapal yung stainless steel. No?
The next, after the mechanical,
would be the biological.
Yeah.
And we opt in using, in the biological chamber, filter mat. Marami din po, may maraming styles to biologically filter your pond. Nandiyan yung moving bed.
It's a nitrification cycle. So from ammonia, it breaks down to nitrites, and breaks down to nitrates, and then goes back to the pond. Because nitrates goes back to the pond, it's the tolerable form that kois could tolerate.
So on to the last chamber.
Yes.
On to the last filtration system. So, nandun na po tayo, na-filter na natin to mechanically, biologically. Tapos sa dulo na po, ito na yung collecting chamber for the pump to suck the water back, throwing it sa pond. No? Ito na yung UV light chamber. Yeah. So, yung UV po, UV ultraviolet light, ito kailangan natin to eradicate yung algae. So, in our case here in Coys and Ponds, makita nyo po yung UV light namin. Doon po sa plug, nilalagyan po namin ng laminate sheet of paper. Nakalagay po yung date. Just to remind us na after 6 months yung date na yon, pag nakita nila, kailangan palitan ng UV because the UV light will still be lighted pero hindi na po, wala na pong work to. And the purpose of the UV light is to make the water clearer by disrupting the reproduction of this unicellular planktons called algae. No? Yun namang pagpapababa ng ammonia and NO2, ito na po yung trabaho ng Nitrobacter. So, nasa last chamber na po tayo. Nilalagyan din po namin doon ng zeolite to absorb the matitira pang ammonia or impurities ng tubig. And then also, naglalagay po tayo doon ng oyster shells sa dulong-dulo. So, ito po yung mga equipment. And join us again next week. Magpapakita pa po namin yung mga mas advanced equipment na kailangan natin. Paano po mapaganda or ma-complement ang properly designed koi pond filter. This is Mike Hernandez, dito po sa Kois and Ponds with
Glasser Hernandez of Kois and Ponds Farmless Piñas.
Join us again next week. Kita-kits. Bye-bye.
Bye!